Alright, howdy dark friends. So, channel 19, you see in the memory there, I programmed it in, 27.185, static, isn't that beautiful? 1-to-1 SWR, so I'm hooked into an antenna, an 8-foot whip. Yep, it is modified. That's beside the point. What we're gonna do now is plug in my Stryker 955 and see where we're at. But I wanted you to notice no static. All right, no static. Let's turn on preamp 1, 3 pounds. Preamp 2, more preamp, 5 pounds. No preamp, no static. All right. We're going to pause and be right back with the Stryker plugged in. It has no preamps. We'll be on the same antenna. Nothing changed other than the coax into the antenna, or into the appropriate radio to the same antenna. There we go. That's what I'm trying to say. Be right back. So the continuation of the video. Here we go. Alright, so big static. Let's do it on a different channel just in case. Today it's pretty quiet. 4 or 5 pounds. Microphone gain. It's all the way up. And just so we can see SWR. Audio 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Check, 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 check. Same antenna. I'm still parked. Not going nowhere. Now, hold on a second. I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back. I want to see if we can figure out if that buzzing is happening. Alright friends, sorry about that. We're not doing any kind of blackout, fade in, fade out stuff. We're just gonna do pause and unpause. We're on the same channel. Same static. Now, what I'm going to do is, off to the right here, is a dead end. No lights. But I want you to listen. I wonder if you can hear it. We'll check it out. It's buzzing. 60 cycle buzz. We're on DC power. My power inverter's turned off. There is no 110 volt anything going on in this truck right now. It's buzzing. So okay, we're not trying to smack talk Stryker by any means. It's been a fantastic radio for a long time, but this little President, it's only AM and FM. I know my Stryker was sideband as well, but this is what we're going to plug in instead. This little box is a lot smaller than the Stryker, so it should fit in the cabinet pretty easy. It's doing about 70 watts, and so we're going to plug this bad boy in, play with it for a little bit. Hopefully we'll be back up and running. Should be fun. It's going to take me a while. And hopefully you guys will get to hear me pretty soon on this here radio as I go through your area. Catch you later. Hope somebody found this interesting. Either way, see ya. Rodan in the diesel wagon is about to get down.